just wanted to get back.
No! Don't put your hand up. Do not do that.
Get him out! Get out! Out! Get him out of there!
Just get out! Can we have a conversation with you over there? It's just an insult. He's winding us up.
We don't want him here. Get him out!
Give him the attention! He's doing it for the press! Give him the attention!
Police are taking him out.
Preston!
Have a chat with him, okay? No, I'll keep things calm.
Just tell him to go. We don't want him. We don't want him here. He's not our friend. Go away.
I'm here to support the Jewish community. Don't come here and provoke us. Don't come here and provoke us.
To stand there with that badge on. I mean, what did he expect? What's he expect?
I can also support the two-state solution. I wear it all the time. I wear it like I wear the Ukraine.
Right, can you tone it down just a bit? We're trying to have a conversation here, okay? I appreciate you're upset about the whole thing, but let me have a conversation.
I wear it all the time, this badge, as I wear my Ukraine badge. The Board of Deputies, Phil Rosenberg, the President, knows I'm here. Dave Rich of the Community Security Trust knows I'm here.
The problem is your presence is tending to load up quite a few people during the current climate.
But I want to exercise my support for the Jewish community.
Not interested.
Jackie, can you film? I'm not. No. Come around the front, Jackie.
You're trying to bring the press and what have you.
I'm not trying to bring the press.
So you're now raising your voice.
My friend Jackie is here. Jackie, come around the front.
What we can't do is
Jackie, come around the front.
what I'm asking for is
It is unreasonable.
No.
Sorry, Jackie.
Sir, you are here to show your support for anti-Semitism and what have you.
so-
The president is winding people up and refusing to go. Makes it suggest that you are here to try and breach the peace.
No,
I'm asking you to leave because you are breaching the peace at the moment.
I'm not breaching peace. They're breaching the peace.
Yes, but it's your presence that is breaching the peace. Okay, they've asked you to leave. So I've asked you to leave to try and breach the peace, and you are still intending on standing here.
Yeah, my placard says, I stand with the Jewish community.
Yeah, but all your badges
Fight
and what have you say
anti-Semitism.
something else about the
What,
people.
I haven't
Right,
got,
so there we
I haven't got
We
any
should have you
badges.
away from this, sir. Breach the peace.
Yeah, go on, get out. Finally!
Right, you all go back to what you're doing, please. We are dealing with this matter, thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. I have not reached any peace. I'm here to stand in solidarity with the Jewish community against the hateful violence.
Terrorist supporter!
I've opposed Hamas.
Terrorist supporter!
Go on, get out of it, facho. That's it, he's going. You can go now. We can support the Jewish community, even if we disagree with Israel. He came here to provoke us, and he succeeded. I came here with my Jewish friends to express solidarity with the Jewish community. Then I'm not causing. I'm not. Say what I want. Criticised me for wearing a Free Palestine badge with a yellow ribbon showing that I supported the hostages. And then they grabbed the badge and demanded that I be removed. But I am here to show that whatever they say, I stand with the Jewish community.
You'll be shouting Free Palestine after the event.
And I've opposed Hamas from the outset, since they were formed. Phil Rosenberg, the President of the Board of Deputies of Jewish... Phil Rosenberg, the President of the Board of Deputies of British Jews knows I'm here, as does Dave Rich of the Community Security Trust.
Doesn't you have to be like...
Why didn't you arrest those who assaulted me and took my property? Hello? Why did you arrest them who assaulted me and took my property?
So obviously we were there for staff, so if there's something you'd like to let me know, speak to my once we get you out of this table, alright?
Well, no, I can't appoint the mayor because you're taking away from the area.
So all of this area is obviously recorded by high quality CCTV cameras. So obviously you have all the cameras, there is times when you wish to be outside, right? What's your name?
I'd say it's a bit, yeah, with us all that.
I've been in Palestine March, highlighting the
It's alright, Aidan.
people at least not arrest the men who assaulted me. The people who attacked me were small. I was yet what they did
Dat is wel heel extreem. Ja!